Welcome to AER Int channel and welcome back to Surfacing course. In this lecture we're gonna show how we can optimize our filled surface. So we have a surface here and now we want to fill this opening on the upper side. So let's go to Surfaces, Filled Surface, and now we can click on this edge here, this edge, and we can choose all edges manually like this. Or we can go to this edge or any other edge, right click, and we can go with select tangency. And now we have all edges here, so it's up to us. We can go manually or we can choose select tangency. Now we have all edges here. Now let's choose contact relation between existing surface and filled surface. And let's go with apply to all edges. So now we apply to all edges that we choose here. Now let's click OK. And now we got something like this. Now if we want a better transition here, more soft transition, we can check the curvature control to curvature. So let's go to Surface, Edit Feature, and instead of contact, let's go with curvature. Let's click OK. And now we've got something like this. And this is not something that we're looking for. And we will have to optimize this. So here we have optimized surface. And now we see this is checked. Let's uncheck this. Let's click OK. And now we have here a new option, resolution control. Now we can manually optimize our surface. So let's move this resolution here. And let's see what kind of result we're gonna get. Let's move here again. And now we have this result. Now we can see that transition here is not sharp, it's better. And this is kind of what we're looking for. Now let's click OK. And this is it. This is what we are looking for. We don't want a sharp edge here. So as we saw, we were manually optimizing our surface. If we use contact, then here we have an edge. But we wanted to go with the curvature to get softer transition here. And then we have to optimize our surface manually. Now let's go to Filled Surface again. Right click, Edit Feature. Let's go down. And here we have Merge Result. Let's check this Merge Result because we want one surface body. Like this. And automatically we have one option here to create solid. So we could create a solid. But we don't have a surface down here. If we want to create a solid from this surface, we have to create a surface down here first. So let's click OK. Let's go to Filled Surface. Let's go to this edge, right click, select tangency. We go with contact. We don't want a curvature control here. Let's go down and let's go with Merge Result like this and let's click OK. And now if we go to Section View, we can see this is curvature, right? Let's exit. And let's go to Surface Field. And let's check here, create solid, like this, and OK. And now if we go to the Section View, we have a solid body. In this lecture, we showed how we can manually optimize our surface if we have some strange shape of our surface. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little helpful and useful.
Cewtag